Describe how the poverty line is estimated in India. So, in this question, it is very important to understand that you have to describe how poverty line is estimated or examined in India. So, what is poverty line? Poverty line is primarily basically a demarcation, how you segregate and how do you differentiate between people who do not have enough resources, who are poor, and people who are not that poor. So, that is the segregation or the differentiation, how you do it. So in India, the poverty line is calculated by taking into account a minimum level of food, clothing, footwear, fuel and light, educational and medical treatment, so on. So there are different factors which can be considered or which can be used to figure out or define the poverty line in India. But primarily we use either the amount of food they're having or the accessibility of food and accessibility of resources in terms of money. So here poverty line in India is described based on two things. One is food, whether they are able to intake a certain amount of calorie each and every day, or it is based on their income. The way that poverty line is calculated now is based on how many calories a person is supposed to eat. So they can consume different things. It can be cereals, vegetables, milk, oil, etc. You can write this down, but even if you write foods, it is good enough. And which whatever that food item they can consume to increase their calorie intake. So in rural India, the recommended daily calorie requirement or the minimum requirement is 2400 calories per person per day, and in urban areas it is 2100 calories per person per day. So you need to remember these terms, that is 2400 calories per person in rural India, and in urban areas it is 2100 calories per person per day. So if a person is not able to consume, or if the person does not have the access to 2400 calories per day, so that person is considered to be poor or under the below the poverty line. Rural residents have a higher calorific requirement or calorie requirement as they perform more and more physical labor. The poverty line was set at 216 rupees per month. It was based on income, and people who earn less than 1000 rupees per month in urban areas, it is based on 2011-12 fiscal year. They are considered to be, that is considered to be poverty line. And whoever is falling under, the person who is not getting 2400 calories per day and whose monthly income is less than 816 rupees, that person is considered to be below poverty line. That means they're extremely poor. So this is how poverty line is estimated in India, and how you differentiate between below poverty line and above poverty line. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to download the notes in PDF format, you can download it from our website, or if you want to purchase the books, you can purchase it from Amazon or Flipkart.